Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will be discussing the DTC P0796 error code, which pertains to the performance or stuck-off condition of the pressure control solenoid valve C in Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. Understanding this DTC is essential for identifying issues that affect the continuously variable transmission, CVT, and ensuring optimal vehicle performance. The control solenoid valve is a key component that regulates hydraulic pressure within the CVT system, impacting the functioning of critical parts such as the forward clutch and reverse brake. When this component fails or has performance issues, it can lead to various operational problems that require immediate attention to prevent further damage to the transmission. Throughout this guide, we will cover the detailed function of the solenoid, potential causes for the error, symptoms to watch out for, and a step-by-step troubleshooting process. Let's dive deeper into understanding this issue. The DTC P0796 error code relates to the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve, which specifically manages hydraulic pressure to both the forward clutch and reverse brake systems. The solenoid is crucial for ensuring that the correct hydraulic pressure is maintained during vehicle operation, directly influencing the performance of the transmission. It operates based on a duty cycle output controlled by the Transmission Control Module, TCM. This module detects how well the valve is performing by measuring the current and translating it into necessary hydraulic pressure. The valve itself is located within the transmission assembly, directly affecting the vehicle's drivability. If the valve becomes stuck in the off position, it results in inadequate hydraulic pressure necessary for clutch engagement and can ultimately lead to poor transmission performance. When diagnosing the DTC P0796, there are several potential causes to consider. Firstly, the pressure control solenoid valve itself may be stuck in the off position due to internal wear or contamination, which would prevent it from opening correctly. Electrical issues can also be a factor, including a damaged harness or poor connections that lead to insufficient current flow to the solenoid. Additionally, problems with hydraulic fluid pressure, such as leaks or inadequate fluid levels, may affect the solenoid's performance. It is essential to remember that these causes are not exhaustive. Other factors may also contribute to the error. Thus, a systematic evaluation is crucial to pinpointing the exact source of the problem. The symptoms associated with DTC P0796 can significantly impact the driver's experience with the vehicle. Common indicators include transmission slipping, where the vehicle may struggle to maintain speed or have erratic power delivery. Warning lights, such as the malfunction indicator light, MIL, may become illuminated, informing the driver of a transmission-related issue. Additionally, drivers may notice a delayed engagement between gear shifts, which can create a lag in acceleration or responsiveness. These symptoms not only affect the vehicle's drivability, but can also lead to further mechanical problems if not addressed promptly. Awareness of these symptoms can assist in early detection and resolution, preventing damage to the transmission system. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0796 involves starting the engine and preparing the vehicle for diagnostics. Begin by ensuring that the brake pedal is firmly pressed down, as this is essential for safely shifting the vehicle from the neutral end position to the drive. In this case, it is crucial to allow the vehicle to remain in the drive position for at least 30 seconds to replicate conditions under which the error may have been recorded. This ensures that any discrepancies in hydraulic pressure can be monitored effectively. By following this procedure, you can ascertain whether the error persists during standard operation, which is critical for accurate diagnostics. In the second troubleshooting step, turn the vehicle to the off or lock mode after completing the first step. This action resets the Transmission Control Module, TCM, and allows for comprehensive testing of the system. Once the vehicle is turned off, repeat the previous driving pattern, going through the same steps to shift from neutral to drive, with the brake pedal pressed. Pay close attention to any changes in vehicle behavior or additional diagnostic readings during this sequence. This repeatability is essential for identifying whether the issue persists or if it resolves itself after a reset. Accurate observation during these actions is key to determining the next steps in the troubleshooting process. After completing the necessary repairs associated with DTC P0796, performing a final verification is essential to ensure that the issue has been resolved. Begin by checking the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system for any reoccurrence of the DTC. If the code does not return, proceed to take the vehicle for a test drive to closely monitor the operation of the transmission under various driving conditions. During the test drive, pay attention to the responsiveness of the transmission, especially when shifting gears. Ensuring that the vehicle is functioning normally without any warning lights is a crucial step before confirming that the repair work is complete. This thorough verification process not only assures quality repair, but also enhances the safety and performance of the vehicle. Preventive maintenance is crucial for avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0796 and ensuring the longevity of the transmission system. It is recommended to regularly check the transmission fluid levels and quality, as contaminated or low fluid can severely impact performance. Additionally, regularly inspecting electrical connections related to the solenoid valve will help catch any developing issues before they escalate. Scheduling periodic inspections of the solenoid valve itself can provide insights into its operational health. Implementing these preventive measures not only minimizes the chances of a malfunction, but also preserves the vehicle's overall performance and reliability. Staying proactive with maintenance can save both time and repair costs in the future. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTC P0796, which indicates pressure control solenoid valve C performance issues, is vital for maintaining a Honda Civic effectively. Throughout this guide, we have discussed the error's role, possible causes, and highlighted important symptoms requiring attention. Following a systematic troubleshooting approach can ensure that the root cause of the issue is accurately identified and addressed. Additionally, implementing preventive maintenance can greatly reduce the likelihood of recurring issues, allowing for a smoother driving experience. Awareness and prompt action regarding DTCs are essential for keeping your vehicle running at peak performance, ultimately ensuring both safety and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.